Hey friends, welcome to Happy Coding Suzo. Today we will just go through how to make pyramids using asterisks in C language. So already I have included the header file stdio.h and I have already made a function called func and I have initialized I, j and n three variables. Whichever later you want to use, you can use that as a variable. So now we'll just input in n variable that how many numbers we want to use, that how many number of digits we want to use in the asterisk. Okay, let's print a message. Enter number of rows to meet the pattern. Now we will make a for loop and we will initialize I as 0, I less than n, I incremented. Again another for loop and we will initialize here j as 0, j less than I and j incremented. Now if these two for loops are satisfied, then printf asterisk. Now let's make the main function and simply call the func function here and return nothing. Let's run the program. Okay, just wait a moment. Okay, first save the program and then run again it. Let's make 5. See, our program has terminated successfully. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then please subscribe my channel and like the video. And let me clear one thing to all of you. Here we have entered 5 and it's 4 because the index number in C or C++, the first index number starts from 0. So if we enter here 0, then it will count for 0. If we enter here less than equals to, then and save it and then run it again and then press 5, then see it's 6 because it's running one more time. Now save this one and run this again. So it's 5 now. So if you want to increment the value from 5 or decrement from the user value, then you can modify this and this portion. I think you all like this video. Thank you.